Love is composed of a single soul inhabiting two bodies. He who cannot be a good follower cannot be a good leader. The aim of art is to represent not the outward appearance of things, but their inward significance. He who is unable to live in society, or who has no need because he is sufficient for himself, must be either a beast or a god. Educating the mind without educating the heart is no education at all. Be a free thinker and don't accept everything you hear as truth. Be critical and evaluate what you believe in. Knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom. The ultimate value of life depends upon awareness and the power of contemplation rather than upon mere survival. Courage is the first of human qualities because it is the quality which guarantees the others. Moral excellence comes about as a result of habit. We become just by doing just acts, temperate by doing temperate acts, brave by doing brave acts. Dignity does not consist in possessing honors, but in deserving them. The state comes into existence for the sake of life and continues to exist for the sake of good life. Please like and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notifications. Character may almost be called the most effective means of persuasion. We praise a man who feels angry on the right grounds and against the right persons and also in the right manner at the right moment and for the right length of time. At his best, man is the noblest of all animals. Separated from law and justice, he is the worst. Criticism is something we can avoid easily by saying nothing, doing nothing, and being nothing. Every rascal is not a thief, but every thief is a rascal. Excellence is an art won by training and habituation. We do not act rightly because we have virtue or excellence, but we rather have those because we have acted rightly. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act but a habit. Friends hold a mirror up to each other. Through that mirror they can see each other in ways that would not otherwise be accessible to them, and it is this mirroring that helps them improve themselves as persons. Perfect friendship is the friendship of men who are good, and alike in excellence, for these wish well alike to each other qua good, and they are good in themselves. Teenagers these days are out of control. They eat like pigs, they are disrespectful of adults, they interrupt and contradict their parents, and they terrorize their teachers. The beauty of the soul shines out when a man bears with composure one heavy mischance after another, not because he does not feel them, but because he is a man of high and heroic temper. Anybody can become angry, that is easy, but to be angry with the right person and to the right degree and at the right time and for the right purpose, and in the right way, that is not within everybody's power and is not easy. I count him braver who overcomes his desires than him who conquers his enemies, for the hardest victory is over self. The difference between a learned man and an ignorant one is the same as that between a living man and a corpse. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Please like and subscribe the channel and press bell icon for further notifications. Thanks for watching.